talking about something on social media. Today you miss your money. Then you need to restart your journey in the afternoon. And if you miss it again in the afternoon, until you don't have any power to work again. That is the last thing of the life. Before you can see it again. Yeah, this is the 321 journey. You have the morning journey, the afternoon journey, and the night journey. A child that cannot take it personally. And check with the money. Yes. Until he goes to the afternoon of his life. Hear this today. At times, you need to take your money because that is where you are talking. I want you to listen attentively. The child is saying, Mommy, calm down. It is the money of his parents. That's where we make his greatness is from. If that child should miss the point, and he will not deal, and he do that video another way, and that day there is lesson of heaven until he gets his afternoon before he can say anything. The afternoon of your life, it is there where the strength is for you to talk. The night of your life, or the evening of your life, if you have got to this point where you don't want to get anything until you start managing things now in the morning and in the afternoon of your life. I want your mindset to open. Listen when we're talking to business prayer. When we explain it, is understanding. We want you to know how to tackle them. We are not just like for the person because we want us to do it. I want your mindset to get open. Shout wherever you are. Shout. Every act of pain that received me the day I enter into this land, my mindset opened it. We talk about the ancestors of some lands. Amen and amen. Amen. And some ancestors will allow you to perform. Mommy, let your mindset be open.